Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, very first I must say Happy New Year. And in this video I'm going to show you the top 5 best admin dashboard template View 3 plus Nuxt.js in 2026. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So very first, we will have the Barry View 3 admin dashboard template. See, just beautiful. Sidebar, top section, and see the toggle sidebar. Beautiful menus and the beautiful dashboard content section. See friends, beautiful charts. See the beautiful section. They're great. And settings as well. See dark and light view. Great. And see these are some layouts. You can test later as well. And next we have the Mantis View 3 Admin Dashboard Templates. See friends. Sidebar, the toggle functionality, the top section bar we have these things, the settings as well. See dark and light view. See friends. Wait. And the beautiful content section. See the beautiful sections, unique with the beautiful chart. See the great, the weeks, statics beautiful chart, bar chart, and the beautiful table section, analytic reports chart. See guys, sales report, and the other things. I see. Great. And next in view 3 we have Able Pro admin dashboard template. See the toggle sidebar, great, the top, and see notification toggle. See how it open and the chat window as well. And in settings you will have dark and light mode as well, the great, and other few settings as well. In the beautiful content section, see the beautiful charts, great, and fully professional look as well. Now friends, I must say a few things. I am full stack developer, and if you want develop any kind of admin dashboard template, so I can do as well. I am fully available. You can hire me as well. And next, you will have the fourth one, Nuxt.js Admin Dashboard, Nuxt.io. See, weight, defense, dark and light mode, and the beautiful sidebar and the beautiful content section. See, just great. And last but not least, we have Sneak Nuxt.js Admin Dashboard Template as well. Again, dark and night mode, the sidebar. See. So friends, these are the 5 dashboards. And like always, I will also share the free information inside this video description. And friends, I have blog as well. You can contact me via this therichpost.com. And also after it, I will come with more good stuff for you. So guys, in the end, I must say two things. Please subscribe my channel, please support me, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.